Hi there, students. Banter. Okay, banter can either be a verb to banter or an uncountable noun, banter. Banter is good-humoured, playful conversation where people are joking with each other, they're teasing each other, but they don't want to hurt each other, they're just having fun. Yeah, they're making friendly jokes or friendly remarks, okay, but it's good-humoured, a good-humoured conversation with give and take, to and fro. Maybe badinage. That's another word for banter. So during the coffee break at work, there was a good deal of banter between the workers. Yeah, they were telling jokes about each other, making funny comments. Repartee, if you like. Okay, there was good-natured banter between the friends as they walked along the road. They bantered good-naturedly. Okay, at the dinner party, there was banter and everybody was making little jokes and quips about each other. In the bar at our pub, there is always a good deal of banter and the drinkers are bantering with each other. Okay, I like the to banter with somebody. In the dictionaries I've seen you can banter somebody, tell jokes about them, but I really wouldn't use it like this. I think you banter with somebody or there was good-natured banter. Okay? Notice as well, to banter, it's a regular verb. We bantered for a couple of hours and then went home. So normally notice banter occurs between people who know each other very well. There was a great deal of banter between my sister and myself over breakfast. She's making jokes about me and I'm making jokes about her. But none of this is meant to hurt. It's all good-natured, in good humour and positive. Okay? So, banter. A lively conversation which is playful, where the people involved are teasing each other. So, your next question, how formal is this word banter? I think banter is probably neutral formality. So you can use it in an informal situation, a conversation down the pub, and I think you can use banter in a formal document as well. Okay, so very neutral and nice and flexible. For a party to be successful, there needs to be good banter. Okay, so neutral formality, but you can use it either way. Remember as well, to banter is a regular verb. So banter, good-humoured chat, good-humoured conversation. Badinage, where you're teasing each other. The members of the group are teasing each other and making little jokes or funny quips. There is good repartee among the members of the group. So there you go. Banter, an uncountable noun or a regular verb. There's always some good banter in the comments section of my videos. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Banter.